I know it's not a phone, but could it be? The Onyx Boox Palma is not a phone, unfortunately, but I had the idea, what if I used it as my phone? Let me get this straight. I know it's not a phone, it doesn't have a SIM card, but if I use a phone with a hotspot, can I use the Boox Palma essentially as a smartphone replacement? Well, this weekend I decided to give it a go. I don't necessarily need a smartphone, but certain applications I need to have access to, for example, Google Maps in certain situations. This weekend, I traveled into Paris, and since I'm visually impaired, I do rely on technology a bit to get around. My daily driver for now is the Punkt MP02. This phone does not have internet access, but it does have the hotspot option. This enables me to connect it to any device I need. And I decided, why not the Boox Palma? With this test, I wanted to see if certain applications would replace a smartphone in this scenario. The first application I needed to try was my transportation app. This app enables me to recharge my travel pass, which needs NFC. Unfortunately, the Boox Palma does not have NFC, and I couldn't charge my pass. So therefore, I had to use my old smartphone, my iPhone, in order to charge my pass. Luckily, I was able to do this before leaving the house, so I was able still to take my Boox Palma with me as my daily driver. Now, once I activated my hotspot, my Boox Palma connected seamlessly to my Punkt MP02. Whenever I needed to access a specific application, for example, to check the train times, I had no issue connecting or viewing those applications. Unfortunately, the hotspot takes up a lot of battery for my MP02, so I only activated it when I needed it. I didn't keep it on nonstop. I'm sure if you have a different 4G device, you can activate it nonstop and essentially use it as your more or less smartphone. But since I'm following a more digitally minimalistic lifestyle, I just wanted to keep the essential applications on my Boox Palma in order to access them if I actually needed them. Now, the main reason I needed to carry this device was for my communication applications. Not all of my friends and family are on Signal, or Pigeon, as Punkt likes to call it, so I needed to have a device that had WhatsApp, Messenger, and any other additional communication apps. Now, I tested WhatsApp on this day because I was contacting a friend who had a WhatsApp application. Again, I had no trouble connecting my device to a 4G hotspot and sending as well as receiving messages. I could also send and receive photos with no issue. So the Boox Palma fulfilled the duty of smartphone. Next, I wanted to check if it could connect to Google Maps. This is one of the main applications I need in order to get around certain places. I have difficulty reading signs, and I really get lost easily, and I don't have a sense of direction since I have very poor vision. Luckily, the device, Boox Palma, connected seamlessly again, and I was able to access Google Maps, find my location, as well as use the directions. Now, I did notice it was a bit slow when updating where I was exactly. I think the GPS is not quite on point compared to a smartphone, but it more than sufficed for my short journeys. I wouldn't use this device for a long haul, especially a road trip or something like that, but if you're going from point A to point B in a relatively short distance, I think it's more than enough. You can also plug your headphones in if you need to, or connect to Bluetooth to hear the directions if you can't see the directions. All in all, I had no issue using my Boox Palma as a smartphone replacement. Again, I only connected it when I needed it. I didn't keep it connected 24/7, and I wasn't scrolling social media applications or consuming content. When I wasn't connected via the 4G hotspot, I left the device in airplane mode, so it was not searching or connecting to other devices. This enabled me to save the battery life, but again, the Onyx Boox Palma has a great battery life. You don't have to worry about it going down very quickly, even if it's connected to a hotspot or if you're communicating on the device as needed. So even though it's not a phone, for my use case, it really replaces my smartphone. I haven't needed my smartphone, I haven't missed my smartphone, and I have the essential applications I need to communicate, access my banking, as well as access my email. Otherwise, since I am following the digital minimalism lifestyle, I'm not using social media or any other forms of doom scrolling, for example, so I don't need a smartphone, quote-unquote, phone for an everyday use. Using a perfectly good dumb phone that has a 4G hotspot connection has worked quite well, and I think I'm going to continue using this as my daily, everyday carry. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and comment below if you have any ideas for different devices I can pair together for companion devices. Thanks for watching. See you soon.